What's up, guys? I've been suffering for a long time with this laptop from Dell with random shutdown or hibernate during the game or even just desktop or browsing the social media. So it doesn't matter. It's completely random shutdown or hibernate. So I found a solution, but we will not turn it off. But I will make it give you notification about low battery instead of hibernate or shutdown. So no any auto or random hibernate or shutdown anymore, just notification. And actually it will reduce the count of how many time it happened. Like it will be less than the average, instead of every week it will be like every month, and just notification, not hibernate or shutdown. Let's start. Now we have to go to control panel, power option here, change plan setting, and change advanced power setting. We need to go to battery. We have these two: critical battery notification, critical battery action. Critical battery action, we will make it plugged in, do nothing. In your case it will be hibernate. Do not make it hibernate, change it to do nothing. And unfortunately we can't change on battery, just shutdown or hibernate, so keep it hibernate better than shutdown. And anyway, nobody of us use it with battery. And press apply and OK. And you can see here the notification, so you can make it on to know how many time it will happen, or if you don't want any notification, turn it off, so nothing will happen at all. But I keep it on to know like this time it must be shut down, but just become just notification to know like the problem still exists. Maybe it will be solved in the next BIOS update or something, but anyway I keep it on. It doesn't annoy me in the game or something. So it's up to you, but this one, do nothing, the solution, the only solution for this laptop from Dell. And that is it. If you like it, do not forget to give me a like, and I hope if you come after 1 week or 1 month and tell me that it works with you, so I would be glad to hear that actually. So goodbye.